Let's go over the parts of the microscope, shall we? So this is a compound light microscope. Here's the fine focus knob, and here's the coarse focus knob. Here we have the on-off switch. It is now off, and now it is on. This is the rheostat, and you can see the light getting brighter and more dim as I swing the rheostat around. These are the stage adjustment knobs. This is the stage. That's where your slide would go, and then it's secured there by a stage clip. We can see it makes a little clipping sound here. Excellent. These are 4 objective lenses all attached to what's called a rotating nose piece. This is the scanning objective and the scanning objective lens. That's a 4x magnification. Our next one is the, there we go. Next one is the low power objective with the low power objective lens in there. That's a 10x. And then the high power objective with the high power objective lens. That's 40x. And then we can see the oil immersion lens and the oil immersion objective, and that is a 100x magnification. We don't really use that one in zoology. That structure that you put your eye up next to, that's called an objective, and then we have an objective lens right inside there as well. The two things here are referred to as, I'm sorry, it's an ocular. Oh man, we'll edit that out. We'll get that in post. This is an ocular, and that's an ocular lens. These are objectives down here. Come on, learn the parts of the microscope. Anyway, the distance between these two is referred to as the interocular distance. Let's see, found anything else? This is the arm. That's where you grab it. That blue part, that's where you're supposed to put your fingers. You go, I got it. And then this is the base down here. So you put one hand up here on the arm and the other hand down here on the base. And you transport your microscope. That should do it.